Assalamualaikum dear student, my name is Shazia Jafar from Magnet High School and today we discuss about some tricks. Last day we discussed about some tricks about scale, but today we discuss tricks about multiplication. First trick we learn about the tricks that which two numbers near to 100. Let I take two numbers 102 and 103. These number near to 100. We use a trick. This amount how much more than 100? 102 definitely is 2 more than 100 and this is 3. Then multiply each other. 3 2s are 6. Right here 6. But write here 6 in 2 digits. We know that while we write 2 digits last year we learned about it. Write in 2 digits. Then add by cross add. 102 add 3. 103 then add 2 by cross adding. 102 plus 3 105 and 103 plus these two and 105. We get the same answer by cross adding. 102 plus 3. So write here 105. That is the multiplication answer. We use this trick. And when we have completely command on it, when we practice lot of questions more than 10 or 20, then we don't need to write it. Just take another example 105 and 107, these amount near to 100, and we find the multiplication. Again use this step. First multiply 5 sevens are 35. We know that more than 5 7 and then cross addition 105 plus 7 112. So easily in single step just we find the multiplication of these two numbers in 5 seconds. This is a trick about these numbers who's near to 100. Now the numbers near to 100 but less than 100, just like 98 multiplied by 97. How much less than 100? 2, 98, 99 and 100, two numbers, and how much? 3. Then again multiply 6, but we write in 2 digits, so I contain 0 with 6. Then cross subtraction. When an amount more than 100, then we add. Cross addition. When we less than 100, then we subtract. 98 subtract 3, we get 95. 97 subtract 2, we get 95. Again we get the same number, so write here 95. This is the multiplication of these two numbers. Take another look, 93 and 95. We find the multiplication. I use this method, no use method. The multiply 5 less than 7 numbers, and here 5. 7 5s are 35. Then subtract, a difference is 5. 95 subtract minus 5, 88. 93, 7 less than 100, 5. 7 5s are 30. 95 minus 7, 88. So 8835. This is a multiplication answer, and this trick we use. You have completely command on this trick when you have experience. You need practice it 10 to 15 different sums. This trick we only use when a number near to 100, maybe or more than 100 or maybe less than 100. Now we use a trick where we choose any number randomly, just like I choose 88 number, multiply with 45. So here what I do, first I multiply first digits. 5 8s are 40. So I write the answer in single digit. Here we write the in single digit. So 40 I write 0 and carry the 4. Carry 4. 88 45. Then I cross multiplication. Then I perform the cross multiplication. 5 8s are 40 and 4 8s are 32. Then add 4 6 and 7. Here we only write 2 digits, single digit, and again carry 7. We write 6 and carry 7. Then multiply these last two numbers. 4 8s are 30. 30 plus 7, 39. So that is the multiplication answer of these two numbers. Take another look. Randomly I choose any two numbers, 65, 21. So many difference between these two numbers, so I choose randomly. Again, first we multiply first two numbers. 1 5s are 1. So again we multiply, cross multiply. 1 6s are and 2 5s are 10. Then add 16. Then I write 6 and take carry 1. And again multiply by last digit. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1 13. That is its multiplication. Take another look. Choose any randomly number. I choose a number 125. I choose a number 25 and 95. First multiply these two digits. 5 5s are 25, and we write the 5 and take the carry 2. Then we multiply, cross 2 5s are 10 and 9 5s are 45. Add and carry 2. 7 5. And here we write only 5 and take carry 5. Now we multiply last two digits. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 5 23. That is the multiplication answer of these two. When we practice these trick 10 or 15 times, then we have completely command on it, and we just in 5 seconds perform this multiplication. So you must need to practice lots of time, more than 20 times. Thank you so much for watching this video.